To the U.S. now, where a Florida judge has set an initial trial date for Donald Trump's classified documents case. It's August 14th, about 8 weeks away, and it's a date some legal experts are scratching their heads over. The CBC's Ethel Musa is tracking this story for us. She joins me now live from Washington. So, Ethel, what more can you tell us about this court date and why it's somewhat surprising?
Well, Arthi, it came as a bit of a surprise because experts did not expect the trial to begin so early, given the time needed to resolve some of the complicated legal issues before a jury starts hearing testimony. On Monday, a federal judge approved a protective order sought by special counsel Jack Smith to keep Trump from disclosing sensitive information in his classified documents case. Now, Trump is facing 37 counts in the indictment brought by Smith earlier this month. It alleges that the former president illegally retained national defense information, that he concealed documents and obstructed the Justice Department's investigation into the handling of those materials. Now, Trump pleaded not guilty last week, and now an initial trial date has been set, although it is important to mention, Arthi, that this date is not set in stone. Lawyers for the former president could file motions asking for a delay because they need more time to prepare or for other reasons. People will be watching this case very, very closely. And not just because Trump is the first former president in U.S. history to face federal charges. The judge overseeing the case is Eileen Cannon, and she was appointed by the former president, and she sided with Trump in an earlier decision when he challenged the FBI's search of his Florida club and Mar-a-Lago estate. A conservative appeals court ruled that she did not have the legal authority to intervene, but her ruling has raised concerns about whether or not she will be impartial. As a judge, Cannon has a lot of power. She can decide what evidence the jurors hear, she can dismiss certain jurors, and if the jury struggles to reach a verdict, she can declare a mistrial. Judges can also toss out a case for insufficient evidence at various points in the trial.